So myself, Tassin here, and good evening, everyone. I'm 28 year old, so I have been suffering from neck pain after my pregnancy. After my pregnancy, my posture was very bad. My posture was very poor, and once I got delivery and I had normal delivery. So after that, when I was feeding my baby, and also I had really bad posture holding the baby, and I was on the phone. I had a lot of stress, and I had lost lot of postural issue. So because of that, I got my whole body got misaligned from head to toe. Like my TMJ, I had TMJ issue where I got dental issue along with that, and my shoulder was misaligned. I had shoulder pain, I had hip pain, and everything head to toe. And then I came through. I came. I mean, I got to know about Mr. Gajendra sir classes, and I attended his 2 day yoga session where I started believing that, this pain would change, because after joining his 2 day yoga session, my pain was, I think so, it was 10. I rated my pain level as a 10. But in the second day itself, it was just 6 to 7. It is a huge difference because my pain was so horrible that I could not do any of the day-to-day activities. I could not take care of my kid. I could not concentrate on my goals. I want to do freelancing. I want to do a lot of things, but I was procrastinating because of my pain, and I was not dedicated to my relationship and everything. It was affecting all of my day to day things. So when I attended his classes, I want to actually pay for it, because it was every moment he gave was gentle, but something that really made a change in just 2 days. So I actually believed it, and I started the program. It's been 1.5 month. In this 1.5 month, I got a confidence that that the amount I paid already is worth it, and I started missing a lot of classes because I got confident, and I got my pain free body. Like my neck pain and everything is gone almost to zero, and my posture is still misaligned because it would take a lot of time. But he has designed in such a way that each week and each day he concentrates on like specific area of your body. It's not just your neck. He focuses on your whole body, head to toe, like your hip, your leg, your foot, and everything. He focuses on every whole part of your body, and also your nervous system. He calms your nervous system, then only he goes to the exercises. So that basically, your whole, it's not just the pain, I would say. It's not really the pain of now. Yeah, it's not just the pain, but he also calms your nervous system. Like you would feel better after attending all the classes. It's just been 1.5 months. Believe me that it really makes lot of differences in your energy level and your concentration and the way you feel about yourself, and the pain level, it's gonna reduce. So every areas of life I had seen difference. And before joining the classes, I was someone that, I was underconfident. I had pain. I did not believe that my pain would go in such a short period of time. So every movement is very gentle, that, the people from any age, even if you're 70, even if you're 80, you can even do that. But he told me earlier that he doesn't like take people above the age of 60 because they have complication. But one person he actually like took from our I think so, some yogas, orientation. But I feel like his movement is so gentle. He doesn't pressurize. He doesn't like give anything that your body cannot do it. It's gonna be all gentle. And trust me, the every homework he gives, it really makes lot of differences in your pain, in your body, in your mind. He gives, like, he asks you to write affirmation. He basically, everything that makes your lifestyle more easier and also more fruitful for your body and your mind. So this is what I can say. If you're going to attend the classes, trust me, it's gonna be beneficial for you. Every penny you are spending for this orientation or like this yoga classes is worth it. You're gonna like this I mean I am really thankful for Gajendra sir for having me here. I don't know how I got to find him, but I found him. So it's gonna be useful. The 90 days, he had like designed very carefully, and also it's very gentle and it's going to be very beneficial. Thank you, sir. Like, I think so I have spoken so much, but yeah, it's really wonderful class.
Yeah.
Thank you.